We're gonna chase some smallies and some walleye, maybe a little mixed bag this morning. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Fish.
Yes,
good
sir.
one. Good smallie.
Come on, Nat. Why are you doing this? I missed it.
There we go.
Oh yeah, brother.
That's it. And those are what we're after.
Let's see it. Beautiful.
Ned rig, right in the mouth. Awesome. Let's get this back and go for more.
I just wonder if there's some walleyes up there like bacon, just chilling on the rocks or.
Mm-hmm.
Or they're probably deep in the
fish.
Nice. They're probably deep in the during the day.
Whoa!
Good one?
Decent.
I'm coming, I'm sorry.
Got him right into ya. Here's another good one. Ned rig, right in the roof of the mouth. So on that one I was casting, we see them cruising up in the shallows, well, those are smaller ones. So we're casting off kind of that first break. We're in ultra clear water. We have like 12 feet of visibility. And we're catching these ones in probably 8 to 10. Lots of fun. There you go, Mike.
Heck yeah.
There we go.
Let's get it.
Show it to that. Show it to the main camera there.
Ned rig. Or drop shot. Drop shot with a real leech.
Yeah.
I watched him come in and I was like, ooh, I seen him moving towards it. And I was like, okay, he's going to hit it. Gotta love the PC Fun pliers. I don't think there's a better fishing plier, honestly.
No, that's such a good pliers. So here's the program for what we're doing. Got a medium action rod with the new PC Fun Illumix reel. This is a size 3000. If you are a fan of the Carbon X series, you're going to love the Lumix. So it's an aluminum framed reel. So it's super heavy duty, nice and strong. There's people using these for like inshore saltwater stuff. It's pretty nuts. And then it's still got the carbon rotor and it comes in at just over 6 ounces. Throwing a Ned rig here. I have it weedless because we do have spattered weeds and some rock and some logs that we're kind of working over. And anything that was open hook, we were just losing left and right. Little Billy Rub XYZ for the Ned. And my rod is a Delobay Voyager 7-foot medium action. But a real big important piece is a good pair of polarized shades, because we're actually looking for the pockets of weeds, the logs. We have like 10 to 12 feet of visibility. So we're looking for those deep structure pieces right off of that first break. And we actually see the smallies coming up from the shallow, cruising out and disappearing from a point where we can see them. But then they're smacking it when we're pitching at those structures. So it's a lot of fun. Got one. This is a good one too. Oh, maybe not. Just had some spunk. Oh, it's decent. It's decent. Such a smooth drag though on this Illumix. Got it right into the net. Okay. I'm not going to complain about that.
No,
at all.
Good fish.
Another drop shot. You want to hand me the... Oh, got him. Never mind. Oh. This one's super light colored. So cool. Let's go get another. There's another one. This is another good one.
Oh, cool.
There's one following it. Look at that. Another light colored one. Man, our average size today is phenomenal. Man, smallies are so fun. Look at the spots. Such a cool fish. Such a great fight. Got one.
Good. I have no shoes on.
It's not a big one.
Good.
It's actually a really big rock bass. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's a chunker.
That is a tank for a rock bass. This one has a red eye, unlike the one last night.
Yeah. That's a red-eyed party fish.
That's right. Party crappie.
Yeah.
There you go, bud.
I don't need a net.
Don't need a net? That's a flipper?
So.
That is a flipper. Largy. Knocking off some species.
Three variations of bass today.
That is the bass trifecta. Look at the loon up there.
I know, it's usually a good sign. There's usually fish. There's a bluegill. I can see him from 30 feet away. That's wild.
There we go. Oh, it's a good one too. This might be the best one of the day. Oh, there's so much spunk.
Yeah.
In these,
definitely not the best one of the day.
No, not the best one of the day, but there's so much spunk in these shallow water smallies, so you gotta have a good drag. That's one of the big keys with the reel. I don't know, we've caught what, half a dozen of these today?
Yeah, at least.
This has been a fun day. This is Cole Karski, Beef Outdoors. Mike Ryman. We're gonna sign out from the smallmouth fishing and catch you next time.